class. This is Sister Wilkinson again. I'm back for part 2 of our Introduction to SPSS tutorial. So I'm back, I'm within the VMware, and I have open the assignment page for this week. So we're in lesson 3, and it gives you the directions and everything here. And you'll notice that at the very bottom, you've probably already downloaded your preparation assignment and the answer key, but in addition to those, there's this .sav file. So those .sav files are SPSS data files. Now the easiest way to open up this data file in SPSS is just to click on the link from iLearn. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. It downloads it to my computer, and when I click on open, it's going to go ahead and open up SPSS with that data file in it that I need. So here it's opening everything up, and we can see the data file. So in the last tutorial we talked about this view. This is our data editor window, and you can see that this file has 6 different variables in it. If I switch over to the variable view, we can see that all of those variables are numeric variables, and we can see the information about those. So in this tutorial I want to focus on the output viewer. So if I go up to my window, I can show you what the output viewer looks like. So here's our output viewer. It's separated into 2 window panes. Okay, we have the tables pane, and that's this one over here on the right, and it's going to create an object for all of the different output that you get, so your graphs and any calculations that you have it do. And over here on the left we have the outline pane. So right now we don't have anything really interesting here, so I'm going to go back to my data and we're going to do some calculations. So one of the things that you're learning this week is how to do descriptive statistics, like find the mean, standard deviation, maybe the 5-number summary. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So if we go under the Analyze menu and come down to Descriptive Statistics, there are several different options here. I am going to choose the Explore option, and it's going to bring up this dialog box. And it's just asking basically what variables do we want to describe. So I'm going to start with A. If I click on A and use the arrow, it'll push the variable over into my dependent list box. And I can go ahead and click on OK. Okay, so now SPSS has gone ahead and analyzed that data, and it's put all of the output into my output viewer. And I have all these different objects. When I run the mouse over them and it draws that little yellow box, that shows where all the different objects are. So if I want to edit an object, I can just go ahead and double click on it, and it'll bring up, depending on what the object is, it might bring up some different ways of editing that. In this case it's going to let me change how I want the data displayed. If I come down here to one of the graphs, come to this one and double click on it, then it gives me some other options here. You can do things like change the color of the graph. You can see I changed the box to black. Yeah, you can change the labels, you can change the fonts, different things like that that you want to do here in your chart editor. If there's something in here that I don't like or I don't need, I can actually just go ahead and click on it and hit delete, and bye-bye stem and leaf plot. So that'll just be gone. You'll notice that there's a lot of information that was given here, and one of the challenges that you're going to have this semester is trying to discern between what you need and what you don't need that SPSS gives you. So I hope this tutorial helped a little bit as an introduction, and good luck.